In this video, I'm going to discuss the Statute of Limitations. The Statute of Limitations is a statute that sets the maximum amount of time after an event that the plaintiff has to initiate legal proceedings. Simply put, the Statute of Limitations sets the time limit that the plaintiff has to file suit against the defendant. Now, that being said, the case does not have to be resolved within the period specified by the statute. The defendant can use the Statute of Limitations defense by raising it as an affirmative defense after the time to file suit has passed and the plaintiff has filed suit. The defendant will do this in his or her answer to the lawsuit. The answer will often be followed with a motion for summary judgment or a motion to dismiss, both based on the fact that the plaintiff didn't file suit in time. So, when does the Statute of Limitations begin? It usually begins to run on the day that the harmful event occurred. For example, if Billy rear-ended Carrie, the statute of limitations would start on the day the accident occurred. But the statute of limitations could also start on the day that the plaintiff discovers an injury she did not know about. This is known in the legal community as the discovery rule and generally applies in things like medical malpractice claims and other types of actions where it's not so obvious when the actual harm occurred. Another term that is associated with the statute of limitations is tolling. Tolling is the suspension of the statute of limitations. For example, if the plaintiff is a minor at the time that the incident occurred, the statute of limitations is basically paused until the plaintiff has capacity to sue, meaning until the plaintiff turns 18. Mere ignorance of a cause of action does not toll the statute of limitations. That's why it's always important to talk to a lawyer if you've been injured or think that you may have a potential lawsuit. An experienced lawyer will be able to ensure that your case is filed within the appropriate statute of limitations. Make sure and check your jurisdiction to see what your statute of limitations is, because different causes of action in different states, they all vary when it comes to statute of limitations. If you've got any other questions, you can feel free to call us at the office or check out some of our other blogs online. Thanks.